Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a flip through of my pocket ring setup. This video is also in collaboration with 6 other planner girls here on YouTube, and we've come together to all share our summer planner setups, but we're also hosting a giveaway in the amount of $700 to a ton of amazing planner shops, including my own Shine Sticker Studio. So if you're interested, check the description down below for details on how you can enter for your chance to win. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the planner I'm using is a clear PVC plastic planner that I got off of Amazon. It was very inexpensive and it came with like a button snap closure, but I did change that to have elastic because obviously I could not fit all of this into the planner if I used the regular snap closure. I have a little charm on here. This is from Untitled Plans, and I'm going to try to link all the shops that I mention in the description, but if I forget anything, just let me know and I'd be happy to give you that information. I have a Fox and Pip vinyl bow on the front cover. And then this is a pocket folder that I made. We released these with our birthday box, but this was like a prototype, so we did end up going with a different color scheme, but I just decided to keep this one for my own personal use. And I just laminated it and then I cut so that I could have access to the back pocket and then the little pocket here. So I have this journal card that came with my order from Haley's Handmade Co. And then I have this die cut from our shop. And then this is from Peony's Papery, I think. And then this is from 3 Glitter Peas. It's a little magnetic clip. And then this sushi is also from our shop. And then I have a jelly pocket dashboard thing that I got from Pink Moon Diaries on Instagram. She sews these herself. They're super cute. And I just have some of our business cards in here with a puffy star clip from my girl Angel from the Angel shop. I love this clip so much. This vellum is from Banana Doodle shop. She just came out with a bunch of corgi items, and of course I had to have it all. I have a dashboard that I made. This was actually, and some of the other ones in here are also from Foxy Fix, but it's actually my Traveler's Notebook A6 dashboards, and I just cut them down and punched holes to make it into a pocket rings dashboard. And then I put a custom name die cut from our shop. And then here's a picture of my baby. This is Penny when she was like a year old. Look how cute she is. And then I have my first divider. The dividers that I have in here are from Type A for Alexa on Instagram. She can customize them for you. I got the negative space tabs, which I think looks super cool. This die cut is from Haley's Handmade Co. And then this one is from our shop. This dangle clip is from the Angel shop. So this is my monthly section, and this is a die cut from Stationery Heaven Co. I have a lot of her corgi stuff because I just have to have all the corgi things. This is some vellum that we had in our shop a while back. Then I have some acetate. These are from No White Space stickers. These are from Target from a long time ago. So my monthly inserts I made myself, and they are available as a printable in our shop if you're interested. I have these little mini tabs. These are also from our shop. And then to mark the current month, I have this bow clip, this holographic bow clip from Peony's Papery. Here's last month's if you want to see what that looks like. And then this is the calendar die cut for next month. This is from our shop, and then I just made these new tabs with Luna, and they're super cute. And I just stuck it to like a piece of clear repositionable tape so that I can move it from month to month. And then on the back, I have this holographic Luna die cut that we had as a freebie last month during a sale, and I don't know, we may or may not be bringing this to the shop. We'll see. Then I just have another little dashboard with some pockets on both sides. This is from Paper Rika Shop, and this is from Haley's Handmade Co. Haley's Handmade Co. This is from our shop. This is Star the Unicorn. And then I have my inbox. I'm not sure how everybody else uses this, but I just use it to like jot down stuff that I want to remember. And then I stick my trash bill and my water bill in here. This is from our shop. These are just like some random sticky notes. And then I have some acetate from Haley's Handmade Co. with a coffee sticker from the Angel Shop. And I have another dashboard. This is from Banana Doodles. I love it. It's so cute. On the other side, I have a sticker sampler from Pretty and Prim Co. And then these sticky notes are from So Berry Busy. This is a top-loading pocket from Filofax that I cut down. Haley's Handmade Co. Van Sticky Bubblemon Sticker Co. Peonies Papery, I think. And then this is from Hello Paper Cat. This vellum I got from one of my friends that I met up with at Go Wild. Thank you so much, Keisha. And then I have my weekly section. This is a clip. This little dangle clip and this holographic bow clip is from the Angel Shop. And then this little bear is from Haley's Handmade Co. This came with my order from Stationery Heaven Co. and I just thought it was cute, so I stuck it in there. So, oops, in my weekly section, I'm using these inserts from Stationery Heaven Co. They are a freebie in her Facebook group. She only had like a few sizes, and they were in Traveler's Notebook, so I did have to tweak these to make them work. But I know how to use like Photoshop and all that, so I was able to adjust it to make it work for my pocket rings. And I just have all this stuff clipped to the current day. This is a clip from Glitter Dolls. And then this pocket was a freebie from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. And I just foiled it, but my foiling on here is not the best. But that's okay, I don't care, it's just for my personal use. And then this is from our shop. And I just have some stickers in here, like freebies and stuff like that. And then this clip is from Ashley Lee Designs. This was in our birthday box. And then back here I have this little pocket that I made from this came with my order from Stationery Heaven Co. And I just stashed some stickers from Sweet Kawaii Design. And then this clip is from the Angel Shop. Let's see. So yeah, that's I call it my weekly section, but I have daily pages. My intention is to eventually get some weekly inserts to put in here. I made this pen loop myself, and I got this pen when we went to Go Wild. You could probably find it online. It is the Uni Style Fit. I love it so much. And then this is from our shop. I cut this down from a card that I got at Michael's. And then this is from Haley's Handmade Co. This is one of our mini bow vinyls. I got this in my swag from Go Wild. I just thought it was too cute to use. This is some vellum that we had in our shop a while ago. And then this is my notes section. So it's kind of like a brain dump. I just have some of our sticky notes on here, and then this little bow I got from Van Sticky when she had her shop anniversary. This is just a journal card that I got from Michael's, and then this is from Stationery Heaven Co. So this thing I made myself. It's like a thick plastic, I don't know, it's pretty. These are from Target, and then this is from Banana Doodles, and then these were in our Go Wild swag. Gotta have all the hollow and the foil. And then this is some vellum from Hobby Lobby, I think. Haley's Handmade Co., Stationery Heaven Co. So like I said, this is kind of just like a brain dump. I have ideas for the shop in here, and then just some designs that I wanted to do, but I can't show you that because it's Michael's related, and we haven't really like announced it that much, but some of our designs are going to be coming to Michael's stores soonish. We're so excited. This is from So Very Busy. It came with my order, and I just have a vinyl that I made with some sticky notes back here, and then this is my pocket folder, and I made it myself. So I just have some cute things in this little pocket. So this clips out, and we have a pocket here, and then we also have a pocket here in the middle, and then here on the side. And I watched a tutorial by Mika Allen here on YouTube. I made mine a little bit differently because I used vellum and I laminated it, so the process was a little bit more complicated, but I love the results. So I just keep like some random stickers and stuff in here. And if you have a lot of freebies and samplers like I do, I recommend putting them in all the little pockets in your planner because you'll be more likely to use them if they're right there. So I love this cute thing. And if I can find her video, I will link it down below so you guys can make one for your planner. And then on the back, I just have this die cut from the Honeybee shop. And then this is a vinyl sticker that I put over the holes where the button snap closure used to be. So that is it, guys. That's my planner setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.